In this video guys, I'll be telling you how to make your keyboard bigger. So how on iPad, so how can you make it, like if right now it is smaller, how can you make it bigger? To make bigger guys, just simply place your two fingers at the keyboard and just spread them out apart, and it will make your keyboard uh, bigger, like you are zooming in on the pictures, like you make a zoom any picture. So yep, you can do this by this method, or you can hold this keyboard icon over here, maybe this keyboard icon, or what is that? So yeah, that's how you can do it guys, and you can make it smaller as well doing this by just putting your two fingers and just make it pinch to make it smaller. So I hope you like it. Subscribe for more video. Till then, bye.